Hi everyone, let's look at this 120 centimeter bathroom cabinet, wall mounted. This is very popular in European countries. The whole vanity is high gloss lacquer paint in white color, also very difficult to make. And there is no real handles here. Actually, we make the curving style to make it easy to open any drawer here. It's like this, and it is like this. And also it's soft closing. So there are 4 drawers on this vanity. And also for the sink, this is a glass, single sink, made in glass material. And this glass is different from greenish. It's a little bit white to match with the whole vanity white color. That's the total vanity we are doing.